What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're staying warm out there on this cold winter day. If you're here for the very first time, guys, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Alright, guys, we're back with Guaranteed Leads IO. Just want to keep you guys posted on how this thing is going since I got started a couple days ago. The best source for automated leads and automated cash flow. Love the system, I've gone through it all, checked everything out. I have everything in place, set up, and I'm getting leads. Okay, now let's talk about it real quick. Let's do a quick review on it. The link is in the description. Get started, guys. Endless stream of targeted leads. So this system is the next level automated home business success. Okay, so what's different about it here is, number one, you're going to get this awesome little system for $125. Okay, so that you can keep cash flow in your pocket. $75 commissions. Okay, instant payments any way you want, over and over and over. Direct cash flow. Okay, so what else is included? This is a guaranteed leads problem solver. Okay, so for the affiliate marketers out there, the internet marketers, the network marketers know what I'm talking about. You must have leads to be successful online. Okay, without leads of people looking at your opportunity, you're not in business, guys. So this program, Guaranteed Leads, is going to give you access. Okay, so once you become a member and you pay your $75, your $125, right, you will be a paid member. In your back office, you're going to have access to a vendor, a company that offers targeted leads. Okay, and then they offer a service where they follow up and make all this automated. Okay, they follow up with your leads, they text your leads, they notify you when your leads have clicked on a link to let you know they're a hot lead. Awesome little system. So you get access to that. Okay, once you spend your $125, you get access to this. This is powerful right here. This is the key. Yes, you make your $75, but how about you are able to promote whatever business opportunity you want to promote also. So when folks sign up with you and they become a paid member, when they log into their back office, they're going to see your primary business. Okay, so you're making $75 unlimited commissions by selling this system. Now you're promoting your other business opportunity, say your primary business opportunity, and you have access to a done for you service. Okay, that's going to, now this is the thing, and this is really what the kicker was for me too. The people that they've spoken to, because these are verified, I told you that on the last video, they're verified. The people that they're speaking to have confirmed that they have $400 to spend in a business opportunity. Okay, so it's just a matter of looking at your opportunity to see if, hey, do I want to give you my $400 or up to $400? So these are very qualified leads. So that is the, I guess you'd say, the meat and potatoes of it all. The main thing. This is why I really got started with it, for the access to the valuable service. Okay, the $75 is good, but this right here is better for me. That's why I got started, because I have other opportunities I'd like to promote that's higher ticket, right? And if they're going to offer this service, I want them to promote my higher ticket programs. Okay, so that's the key there, the power of now. Remember, you earn commission on your first sale. So the way this works is $75 commissions you're going to earn. It's $125 one time for the whole system, no monthly fees. $75 goes to your inviter, $50 goes to the company to keep everything running smoothly, your website, etc. Okay, Now, the second sale that you make will pass up. The system will direct the person to pay your sponsor. That second sale will go up. So right there, again, another leverage, okay? Another power line, another income stream that you're going to be making passively, okay? By people signing up to get this system. All right? Now, also, let's keep going down. I just explained that. They consider this the hub, okay? But not only that, those services that I talked about in your back office, you become an affiliate of those as well. So when your new business partner signs up for this system, you're going to make $75, right? Then if they decide to go in the back office and say, hey, you know what, I think I want to purchase this service as well. So you're an affiliate, they click your link, you get paid on that as well, okay? So this is a hub. That makes sense. Everything you need right here is under one umbrella. You're able to promote your primary business. You're able to get a service that offers guaranteed leads. You become an affiliate of that, and now you're earning income off of that as well. So this system allows you to make multiple streams of income with a $125 system, okay? One-stop shop. All right, so the targeted leads, access to that. Like it says here, in the back office, it's going to be called picks and shovels. And this is also where your primary business is going to be listed as well. So when your new business partner signs up, they're going to picks and shovels because you are offering a service, right? So your service is in there as well as the service right here for the targeted leads and the automated SMS system. All right. Now, this system also includes, this $125 system includes an autoresponder and email follow-up series. So that's included. You don't have to pay for an external autoresponder. Okay, so it does that very well. And the emails do come to you. They don't go to spam. I haven't gotten them. I did a test for myself with another email just to see. They come right to you. So great system that they put together for $125. Now, mind you, you create your account, you have to be a paid member. You can't just create an account and, you know, some of those systems allow you to create an account. You have a shell account, you can log in. You're not going to be able to get in at all till you actually become a paid member. So this page, you're going to get the sales page. Let's back up a little bit. Be sure, trust me when I tell you, I never spoke to anyone. I saw the opportunity. I watched this video right here. You want to watch this video. It will give you a better explanation of what this entails, okay? So opt into the page. Watch this video, okay? That's number one. Read over the website. Come down. Jot down your questions. I'll be happy to answer those for you. And go here. When you're ready to get started, you get this page too, guys, with your picture. You put your picture on it from your back office. They have a frequently asked question little section there as well. So you do that. If you're ready to get started, after you watch the video, you can go ahead and click join. Let me show you. Create your account. You see this video comes up too. Cash flow and leads. I'm not going to press it because I want you to go check it out. All right. Turnkey affiliate program designed to help marketers generate upfront cash flow and leads to fuel their business. Okay. Guaranteed Leads is an online platform that supports the home business, internet business, and crypto opportunities. Okay, so if you got a crypto project, you can put that in there as your primary, whatever your primary business is, or if you want to use those services that I'm talking about to promote your crypto project. Okay, guys, plug and play. Okay. Highly qualified lead sources, automated texting platform, bulk email software, done for you campaigns, one-time costs. Order today. $125, guys. It's member to member, so you can receive your payments any way you want. Credit card, Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, Bitcoin, however you want to get your payments. When people join you, you can set that up in the payment option section in your back office. Okay. This is a non-refundable program. Okay, so make sure this is something you want to get started in. It tells you that right here, non-refundable, because you will receive instant access to the system after you payment is successful and verified. Okay, so click here, create your account, make your payment. Okay, so show you some results that's been coming in with me just doing a couple little few things. Okay, so on my own. All right, so let's check out some of my results. Okay, just to show you something real quick here, I created, they have a tracking tool, if you will, in this system where you can assign a capture page a tracking name, if you will, right? I did that, and I have a traffic source that's running right now, and you see where I type GL solo ad, so that tells me the page that I'm using, the capture page, this is what these leads are coming from. Okay, I wanted to see how this page is doing far as solo ad. Okay, this is not the tool in the back office, this is just one of my services that I use. Okay, and I'll share that with you once you get started. Now look at this. Today 28 people have opted into that page. Okay, I'm calling it a solo ad, so you know it's a solo ad. 17 just the other day. So what's that? 45 opt-ins. Okay, so this page is doing very well, right? So let's look at something else. And the company, this solo ad is working. Okay, then we're just doing an overall guaranteed leads, just what's coming in. Kaboom, kaboom. Kabooms mean that's a person that signed up. Okay, kaboom, kaboom, kaboom. So this thing is working. All right, then let me also show you another $75 commission has come in as well. Take a look at this. I'm not going to reveal the person's name and information. Okay, name and email right here. Okay, and they specified this for Guaranteed Leads IO. Okay, so this absolutely works. Okay, guys, and real quick, just as an FYI, the solo ad provider that I'm using for this, I created my own solo ad. Okay, so when you get started with me, I can refer you to the solo ad provider that I'm using and the ad that I'm using. Okay, so this is me doing my own ad. I know a lot of times we use vendors and they do the ad for us, but I decided to use my own ad. Okay, so obviously it's working. I've received so far 45 opt-ins. We got that sale, right? There's another sale that have come in, but this thing does work. Okay, so if you're ready to get started, go click that link in the description to get started. Oh, before I let you go, for all my people, okay, this is a bonus. Okay, because this service in the back office that I'm talking about with the auto texting, okay, service that they're offering here, this quality lead source and auto texting platform, for everybody that joins me in my other program, I'm going to pay for one of those services for you guys. But let me show you what I'm talking about. You got to join me in DWP. If you join me in DWP at the $400, $800, or $1,500 level, I'll get that service for you. Or if you join me in Exitus at the $500, $1,000, or $2,000 level, okay, I will pay for that service over here in the Guaranteed Leads IO. Okay, so that's just a bonus that I'm throwing in for the folks. Instead of running traffic like I normally do, this service right here, I think is going to be a great value. Okay, because these people have already said, hey, I've got $400 I want to spend. Okay, so I'd rather pay for this service right here. Okay, the auto texting and the high quality lead service versus just running the traffic for you guys and they're going, you know, running to the capture page and all that. This will be better because it's like one-on-one. These people have said, hey, I have $400 I want to spend. What do you got? All right. So with that being said, thank you so much for checking out the video. Stay warm out there, guys. Don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.